Hello everyone, today is February 8th on Friday. Um, I'm gonna go over my recap for today. So I only did one trade today and it was a short position. I shorted TPNL here. I kind of fight it yesterday and was kind of expecting a wash. So yesterday it was kind of grinding up and there was any strong pullback. So this morning I was watching for an opportunity to short for the sell off. So I was hoping it to go lower. I ended up taking a good short here at the near the open around this 660 break here breakdown. So I went ahead and shorted, which was a great entry. But I think I put my order out for 630.31 and it didn't get filled. It ended up popping back to this prior support here and it became resistance. So I actually top ticked this and kind of bounce off since this was prior resistant and it was the VWAP. So so I added on more. I try to take some off here at this around this 641 area, and I missed it again, so it was kind of pretty frustrating. I could have took it off anywhere here, and I was probably up now at 60, but I ended up taking small around 643, and then I saw this grind up, and then was anticipating this VWAP break, so I kind of stopped out here. So lesson learned here is try not to make a winner become a loser. I should have taken more off. Pretty much I have anywhere here to take it off flat or for a small profit. But in the big picture, I was kind of anticipating, since this 633 area from yesterday here, it kind of held the support here, and I was looking for this you can kind of see this cup and handle, inverted cup and handle, and then when this one kind of failed to break down lower, I should have took it off, but I was hoping it would probably fade back down towards the $6 mark. But yeah, so it ended up being down $20 today, but nonetheless, always keep your losing day smalls. Okay, that's all I have to do today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.